Alright, so welcome back. Has been a while, but I've posted a video the other day. But normally, as you can see in that video, the clutch is not slipping under 9 pounds. So today we're going to pull the pressure plate out, and I'll let you see the reason why it slipped under 15 pounds. So that is why I can't run the 15 pound. So I'm going to try to solve that problem today. So from the last video at Jamwest that I told you guys that the car was slipping, I haven't fixed it from then because I didn't need to use any 15 pounds. So only when I use the 15 pound it slipped. So I decided to fix it today. So we're going to get to that right now. So stay tuned. So as you know, you've seen this engine pull many times before, so we're just going to get right into it and I will fill you in as we go along. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this was one of my issue by getting out the box without taking out the engine. So it was a little bit challenging, but we got through it. Take out the box, you had to take off the back plate here. So and we get it out. So now to take off the pressure plate and see what's going on. Okay, so got the pressure plate out. So I don't know if you can see this, but if you look carefully, the pressure plate eat in. That means the surface, because of the steel clutch, it cut it down. So the pressure that it used to have, it don't have it again. If you look right here, you can see a ridge right here. So this was why it was slipping so bad when I run the 15 pound. You cannot manage the 15 pound. So I'm going to see if we can get this sorted out, and I will let you see what's going on from there. Alright? It's a change of plans. Same pressure plate. So what I did was we just changed the face of the pressure plate. So this one was actually not a steel clutch pressure plate, but after checking the fins on that one, it was kind of weak when we step on it. So what we did, we just changed the face of it and put it on my original pressure plate. So that's how we did. So just going to go through and see if we can get this a little bit rough and just set up from there. Alright, so alright, so testing the clutch and pressure plate just to see what's going on. This is not really the official test, but I'm going on the road in a little bit, but I'm just testing to see how it reacts. No. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so got the car all back together. So this is the happenings on the pressure plate. As I said before, all we did, we just changed the face because the springs were okay. They were stiff enough, so we just changed the face. So I don't know if you can actually see the ridge on it. Yeah, that's a better view. This ridge here. So this is why it was slipping so bad, because the pressure it did not hold the steel clutch. So we actually just changed the face and then we just changed the face and then we just put it back together. So car is all back together. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video when we're going to test. We're going to see if it can hold the 15 pounds. Alright, so look out for that. Again, thanks for watching.